François de Foncenex. The name may not ring a bell for many, but hidden within the annals of 18th century science lies the story of this remarkable physicist. Foncenex, an Italian born in the time of powdered wigs and quill pens, made significant contributions to our understanding of the universe. His work, often overshadowed by his contemporaries, touched on the fundamental forces that govern our world. From the motion of celestial objects to the flow of water, Foncenex's inquiries left an indelible mark on physics. This essay delves into the life and work of this unsung hero of science. We will explore how his brilliant mind unraveled complex problems in mechanics, fluid dynamics, and applied mathematics. Join me on a journey to rediscover François de Foncenex, a shining star in the vast expanse of scientific history. François de Foncenex was born in 1734 in Savoy, a region nestled amongst the majestic Alps. His early life hinted at the intellectual curiosity that would define his career. Details of his childhood are scarce, but we know that young Foncenex received a well-rounded education. He excelled in mathematics, a passion that would shape his future endeavors. Foncenex's talents did not go unnoticed. He caught the eye of Joseph-Louis Lagrange, a renowned mathematician who became his mentor. Under Lagrange's guidance, Foncenex's mathematical prowess flourished. This mentorship proved invaluable, shaping Foncenex's approach to scientific inquiry and laying the foundation for his groundbreaking work in physics. Foncenex's career blossomed in the heart of the Enlightenment, a period brimming with new scientific discoveries. It was during this time that he delved into the world of mechanics, a field that seeks to understand the motion of objects. He tackled complex problems, applying his formidable mathematical skills to unravel the mysteries of celestial mechanics. The dance of planets, the pull of gravity, these were the puzzles that captivated Foncenex's mind. One of his most notable contributions was his work on the problem of three bodies. This problem, which had baffled physicists for centuries, explored the intricate gravitational interactions between three celestial objects. Foncenex's work on this problem, though not a complete solution, offered valuable insights that advanced the field. His contributions extended beyond celestial mechanics. Foncenex also investigated the motion of rigid bodies, exploring how forces affect their rotation and translation. His work laid the groundwork for advancements in engineering and robotics, fields that rely heavily on understanding the mechanics of motion. Foncenex's scientific curiosity knew no bounds. Alongside his work in mechanics, he made significant contributions to the field of fluid dynamics, the study of how liquids and gases move. He was particularly interested in the practical applications of fluid dynamics. His research on water flow, for example, had a direct impact on the design of canals and irrigation systems, crucial infrastructure during a time of agricultural expansion. Foncenex's work extended to aerodynamics, a field still in its infancy during his time. He studied the resistance of air on moving objects, laying the groundwork for future advancements in aviation. His contributions to fluid dynamics were not merely theoretical. Foncenex believed in the power of observation and experimentation. He conducted numerous experiments to test his hypotheses, further solidifying his legacy in the field. Section 5. The power of mathematics in physics. A recurring theme throughout Foncenex's career was his adroit use of mathematics as a tool for understanding the physical world. He believed that the language of mathematics held the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe. Foncenex's work showcased the elegance and power of mathematical reasoning. He used calculus, a branch of mathematics developed by Isaac Newton and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, to describe the motion of objects and the flow of fluids. His mathematical models provided a framework for understanding complex physical phenomena. They allowed him to make predictions and test his theories with a rigor that was groundbreaking for his time. Foncenex's emphasis on the interplay between mathematics and physics helped shape the scientific method as we know it today. His work highlighted the importance of using mathematical tools to quantify observations, test hypotheses, and make accurate predictions about the natural world. Section 6. A legacy, though obscured. Despite his significant contributions to physics, François de Foncenex is not a household name. His legacy, though significant, has been obscured by the passage of time and the brilliance of his contemporaries. Yet, Foncenex's influence can be felt in the annals of scientific history. His work on mechanics and fluid dynamics laid the groundwork for future discoveries and advancements in these fields. Moreover, Foncenex's emphasis on the interplay between mathematics and physics left an indelible mark on the scientific method. His rigorous approach to scientific inquiry, characterized by mathematical modeling and experimental validation, continues to inspire scientists today. Though his name may not be widely recognized, Foncenex's contributions continue to echo through the halls of academia. His work is cited in countless scientific papers, and his insights continue to spark new avenues of research. Section 7. Challenges and lack of recognition. The reasons for Foncenex's relative obscurity are complex and multifaceted. One contributing factor was the political turmoil that characterized 18th century Europe. The fragmentation of Europe into numerous kingdoms and principalities often hindered the dissemination of scientific knowledge. Foncenex, working in Savoy, faced challenges in communicating his findings to a wider audience. Furthermore, the scientific landscape of the 18th century was incredibly competitive. Giants like Léonard Euler and Jean-Laurent d'Alembert dominated the field, often overshadowing the contributions of lesser-known figures like Foncenex. Despite these challenges, Foncenex persevered in his pursuit of knowledge. He published numerous papers and treatises, diligently documenting his findings and sharing them with the scientific community. Section 8. The enduring impact of Foncenex's work. While François de Foncenex may not have achieved the same level of fame as some of his contemporaries, his impact on the world of physics is undeniable. His contributions to mechanics and fluid dynamics continue to shape our understanding of the universe. His work on celestial mechanics, for example, laid the foundation for our modern understanding of planetary motion. His investigations into the problem of three bodies, though not a complete solution, provided valuable insights that advanced the field. Foncenex's research on fluid dynamics had a profound impact on practical engineering applications. His work on water flow influenced the design of canals and irrigation systems, while his investigations into aerodynamics laid the groundwork for future advancements in aviation. Perhaps most importantly, Foncenex's unwavering belief in the power of mathematics to explain the natural world helped shape the scientific method as we know it today. His rigorous approach to scientific inquiry, characterized by mathematical modeling and experimental validation, continues to inspire scientists across various disciplines. Section 9. Conclusion. A star still shining. François de Foncenex's story is a reminder that the history of science is not always a linear progression of well-known names and groundbreaking discoveries. It is a tapestry woven from the contributions of countless individuals, some celebrated, others relegated to the footnotes of textbooks. Foncenex's star, though perhaps not as bright in the popular imagination as some of his contemporaries, still shines brightly in the firmament of scientific achievement. His work continues to inspire and inform, reminding us that the pursuit of knowledge is a collaborative endeavor that transcends time and recognition. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, it is fitting to remember and acknowledge the contributions of pioneers like Foncenex. Their dedication to scientific inquiry, often pursued in obscurity and against considerable odds, has gifted us with a deeper understanding of the world around us. Their legacy, like the stars they studied, continues to illuminate the path for future generations of scientists and explorers.